Hello everyone, welcome to Gospel Sound Academy. In this video, I will teach you how to sing Hallowed Be Your Name by Ron Kenoly using Tonic Solfa. The key is D major, key D major. This tutorial will cover the male solo, female solo, and the chorus. Make sure you watch to the end, and if you want the harmony parts, soprano, alto, and tenor, comment harmony in the comment section. Let's start with the male soloist part. I will sing it slowly first, then you can sing after me. Me, re, do, me. You would sing, holy, holy, Lord, re, do, me. Lord, you are worthy. Do, re, do. And I'm honored to sing your praise. I hope it's not difficult. And I'm honored to sing your praise. Do, re, do. La, 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 so, mi, la. Ti, do, ti, la, so, la. King of glory. God all. Ti, do, ti, God almighty. Va, mi, re, do. Mi, do, re. Hallowed be your name. You can practice. Let's take it again from the beginning. Me. Holy, holy. Right. The next one is mi, re, do, me. All right. Mi, re, do, me. Lord, you are worthy. Next line is do, re, mi, re, do. And I'm honored to sing your praise. La, 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 la. La, 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 so, mi, la, so, mi, la. King of glory. Ti, do, ti, la, so, la. God almighty. Hallowed be. Va, mi, re, do, mi, do, re. Hallowed be your name. All right? Repeat that until you are comfortable singing it. Let's take the next one. The female will now come. Me, for me, all creation. Me, so, mi, re, every nation. Me, so, mi, re, do, me, every nation. Then, do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do, la. Has it been by your word? Has it been by your word? Has it been by your word? Do, re, mi, re, do, la. Do, re, mi, re, do, la. Has it been by your word? La, la, as it is. As it is been done. As it is been done. La, la, so, la. As it is been done. Ti, do, la, so, mi, la. Up in heaven. Va, mi, re, do, re, hearing on earth. here on earth. Do, re, mi, re. Let it be done here on earth. Let it be done here on earth. Va, mi, re, do, re, mi, re. Mi, sol, la, mi. Let it be done here on earth. Mi, sol, la, mi, re. Mi, sol, la, mi, re, do. Let it be done here on earth. Let it be done here on earth. Mi, sol, la, mi, re, do. Let it be done here on earth. So from the beginning again, verse 2, you can practice. Mi, fa, mi, all creation. Mi, sol, mi, re, do, mi, every nation. Do, re, mi, re, do, la, as it been by your word. Can practice that. Then you come to the next line, third line now. La, la, so, la, la, so, as it is being done. La, la, so, la, as it is being done. Ti, do, la, so, mi, la, up in heaven, hallowed be your name. Let it be done here on earth. Va, mi, re, do, re, mi, re. Let it be done here on earth. Let it be done. Mi, sol, la, mi, re, do. Let it be done here on earth. Then the chorus, which everybody knows how to sing in Nigeria and beyond. Mi, sol, la, sol, do, ti, la, ti, do. Hallowed be your name. I don't think that will be hard, so try it. Then you go to the next line. Fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Hallowed be your name. Then you go to the next line, practice, then go to the next line. Mi, sol, la, sol, do, ti, la, ti, do. Hallowed be your name. Fa, fa, mi, fa, re. Lord and Majesty. Do, fa, fa, mi, fa, re. Divine authority. Then you take the next line, which is the last one there. Do, re, mi, do, do. Hallowed be your name. So putting everything together, can go back again. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you want the harmony parts, soprano, alto, and tenor, comment harmony below. Also, if you need Tonic Solfa transcription for your choir songs, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The number is in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tonic Solfa tutorials. God bless you.